What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we finally have an on-feet look of the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 3s Diffused Blues. I've already done an official review unboxing for them, but I've yet to show you guys what they look like on feet. So this is what we do. If this is the first time tapping into one of these videos where you're gonna be seeing it on feet, this is all you're gonna get from this video. I'm gonna show you an on-feet look. We're gonna talk about sizing, comfortability, and then I'm gonna give you an overall ranking of the sneaker. So if you're interested in purchasing it, this is going to be a type of video that you're going to want to see, because you're going to get all the angles, and you're also going to get my opinion on the sneaker. So for what it's worth, I hope it helps you guys decide if you want to cop this thing or not. But before we get up into this content, make sure you guys go and hit that subscribe button for your boy. We are right at 30,000 subscribers. I thank you guys so much. And without further ado, let's hop right off into it. So as you guys can see right here, this is going to be the right sneaker. Sneakers do differ a little bit, just only on the tongues, but for the most part, the shoes are identical. But as you guys can see right here, we have a predominantly white upper. We have just a bit of diffused blue on these things, but I feel like it's a nice touch. Out of all the other A Ma Maniére 3s that have dropped, I feel like this is my favorite one, because we finally got away from the bland color tones, and we're kind of getting the color that's kind of bold a little bit, you know. So as you guys can see, the elephant print is taken off of the 3. It is like a suede nubuck, and it's a pretty good material. We do have that sail colorway on the outer side of the sneaker. I know a lot of people don't like that, but it is what it is right now. On the back end of the sneaker, we do have that diffused blue, as you guys can see. Going all the way to the back, we do have the Nike Air logo in the diffused blue. Super clean on that booty, and it's like an off-white sail pull tab back there with the gray suede, a nubuck back there. And then going on the right end of the sneaker, it's going to be the exact same thing. The leather quality is not too bad, as you guys can see. Not just the it's tumbled, but it's still a good leather. It's not over tumbled. If you know, sometimes they do over tumble these things. All right, as we go across the front of the sneaker, this is where the two differences are going to be. You're going to see an A on the left sneaker, and then you're going to see the Jumpman logo on the right sneaker. Super clean, both sneakers. I do like that different effect, but as you guys can see right here, the leather quality is immaculate on the tongue. Going all the way down, white toe box, same thing on the toe box right here with the wolf gray going along the toe box where the elephant print wants to be. Some people feel like it should be elephant print, but it doesn't make or break the sneaker, in my opinion. Inner side of the shoe, exact same thing right there. Going along the back end, again, as we look at the bottom, we have that Nike in that blue, and then it's like a sail off-white colorway, and then the black pieds, a little bit of blue on there. Only 2 sets of laces, well, no, 3 sets of laces with these things. This is the stock when it comes in it. It's going to be a white lace, as you guys can see. Now, let's talk about sizing. True to size, true to size, true to size. Do not go a half a size down. Do not go a half a size up. True to size. These shoes are available on the resale market, and they are not that much. So I think you'll be able to get the size that you're actually looking for. So I'm going to say true to size when it comes to sizing. They are extremely, extremely comfortable. I like the padding that they put in the A Ma Maniére when it comes to the details, and how it just feels like premium, like a Cadillac on them. Very good material. So comfortability, I'm going to say these are an 8.5 out of 10. Overall, aesthetically, as you guys can see right here on feet, I feel like these do look good. I like the Jordan 3. It's not my favorite silhouette, but I feel like it's one of those silhouettes that you can rock with a lot of different styles, depending on the colorway. And this is one of those colorways. So I'm going to say a 8.5 out of 10 when it comes to overall aesthetic. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions? Did you cop these things for retail, or have you been able to catch them for under retail? But that's all I got for you guys. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these diffused blues, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth.